Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Leaves are falling all around Indiana. That means scammers hope you'll fall for some of their tricks, and that could cost you money. Newslink Indiana's Jerry Fernandez has tips on how to avoid them.
When it comes to home improvement or yard work, many of us enjoy doing it ourselves. But there are people out to take your money without lifting a hand to help.
We've seen that historically. Through the years, we've seen that.
The Better Business Bureau says that if you need work done, hire someone reputable or do it yourself. Always insist on a written contract which describes the work. Only pay after the job is finished, and if in doubt about a door-to-door worker, call the police to check them out. According to Sheriff Sheridan, most of the scams happen during seasonal changes such as fall and spring because that's when most of the people do the work around their homes.
What they try to do historically is get some of our senior citizens to leave a blank check so that they can just go ahead and fill in the cost.
And what is the Sheriff's Department doing to prevent these scams?
The patrol division are out and they actively look for these type of people.
In Muncie, Jerry Fernandez, Newslink, Indiana.
It's just not the elderly. Anyone can fall victim to a scam artist. The Better Business Bureau has tips on its website, and you can check out the history of a business at bbb.org or call the BBB for information on businesses coast to coast 24 hours a day. That phone number 317-488-2222. Elwood Police Chief Toby Barker has been suspended after a female co-worker accused him of stalking and harassing her. 21-year-old Jo Horseman, who was a police officer, says she had to get a protective order against Barker after he began to follow her around at work and even went to her home in the middle of the night. Barker was suspended without pay and had to surrender his badge, gun, and patrol car while the allegations are investigated. Well, now here's Carrie Hazley with a look at our forecast. Carrie.
Well, thanks, Chris. We start things off with a look at the forecast for the day today. Sunny early, but becoming partly cloudy, and a high temperature of 53 degrees today. Now, and the forecast for the overnight hours tonight, clear skies and very cool temps. We'll drop down to a low temperature tonight of 37 degrees. Let's go ahead and take a look now at the forecast for the weekend. On Saturday, 59, and on Sunday, 60 degrees. We will see plenty of sunshine if you have any reason to get outside, and low temperatures near freezing. Chris?
Thanks, Carrie. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 5:57 tonight for more news. And of course, you can always get local news about local people 24 hours a day simply by logging on to our website, newslinkindiana.com.